Drowning in mobile carrier choices, let's cut through the noise and pick US Mobile against Verizon, helping you decide which one truly fits your needs. First, coverage. Verizon boasts the most extensive 4G LTE network in the US, reaching even remote areas. This means fewer dropped calls and faster data speeds in more locations. US Mobile, on the other hand, uses both Verizon and Mobile's networks, giving you a good coverage footprint. However, depending on your location, Verizon still might have an edge, so be sure to check coverage maps in your area. Now, let's talk money. Verizon's plans are generally pricier, especially for unlimited data. US Mobile shines here, offering highly customizable plans, including pay-as-you-go options and cheaper unlimited plans, making it ideal if you want to save. Feature-wise, Verizon includes perks like Disney bundles and robust security features. With some plans, US Mobile keeps it simple, focusing on core features like hotspot and affordable international roaming options. Finally, customer support. Verizon provides extensive in-store and phone support. US Mobile is primarily online-based, with chat and email support. While some prefer in-person help, US Mobile's online support is generally responsive and helpful. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs. If coverage is your top priority and you don't mind paying a premium, Verizon's a solid pick. But if you're looking for flexibility and affordability, US Mobile might be the perfect fit. Do your research, compare plans, and choose what's right for you.